This video is sponsored by Print Suite.
Hi, I'm Mike Rankin, Editor-in-Chief of InDesign Secrets, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your paragraph styles to automatically restart list numbering after a heading. For example, I have a cookbook layout here, and all my text is in one frame, and it's all formatted with paragraph styles. And I can see that there's a problem with the numbering of my recipe steps if I zoom in down here. I can see that it continues from the number 8 in the first recipe with the number 9 in the second recipe, and obviously it should restart with 1 right here. So to fix this numbering, there are a few ways I can accomplish that. I can just put my cursor in the first step here and choose Type, Bullets and Numbered Lists, Restart Numbering. Or if I undo that, even easier, I can just right-click and choose Restart Numbering here. Now this manual method gives you the flexibility to restart the numbering exactly where you want it, which is nice, but it is a manual method, so it takes time and effort, and you might make a mistake. I'm going to undo again, and now I'm going to automatically restart the numbering in each recipe, and to do that, I'm going to edit the paragraph styles for both the recipe steps and the recipe name. So let's start with the style for the recipe name. Just going to right-click on it here and choose Edit. And in the bullets and numbering options, I'll choose List Type, Numbers, and I need to create a custom list. So I'll choose a new list here, and I'll just call it Recipe, and click OK. I'll make sure the level is set to 1, and I'm going to make sure that I have nothing here in the number field. So if anything was in here, I would select it and delete it. I'll choose Mode, Start at 1. And you might be wondering why I'm setting this up as a list when I don't actually want numbering in my recipe names. And the reason is the level setting. This is the key to getting InDesign to automatically restart the numbering. By setting this as level 1, I can make numbering set at levels 2, 3, and 4, and so on restart whenever they follow this paragraph style. So let's do that. I'll click OK, and let's edit the style for the recipe steps. Again, I'll just right-click on it and choose Edit. I'll pick the same list that I used for the recipe name style down here in the bullets and numbering options. So I'll pick Recipe, and I'll make sure the level is set to 2, and the mode is Continue from Previous Number, and restart numbers at this level after any previous level. So when any paragraph set in this style follows a level 1 list, the numbering will automatically restart. And if I turn on Preview and move the dialog box out of the way, you can see that that's what happens. I'll click OK and check out my other recipe here, and that numbering restarted as well, automatically. So here we saw how to set up your paragraph styles to make list numbering automatically restart when you want it to. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want lots more tips like this, be sure to check out InDesignSecrets.com and subscribe to InDesign Magazine.